How to create QR code in Nova EMM dashboard. Step 1. Logging into Nova EMM dashboard. Step 2. On Nova EMM dashboard, click on QR code configuration. Step 3. Click on Create Config. Step 4. Enter configuration name. Step 5. Select device profile. Select default language. Select default time zone. Step 6. If select Enable System Apps, result will be after scan QR code. In device, all pre-installed app will be enabled. Step 7. You can set Wi-Fi setting. Enter Wi-Fi SSID name. Select type of Wi-Fi. Enter Wi-Fi password. Click on Submit. QR code created successfully.